Hello students, welcome to maths class. Today we will discuss the left out types of the topic volume and surface area. So children, before starting with the question, first let's have a look on the objectives of today's class. Students, so far we have done first 10 objectives. Now today we will discuss objective number 11, that is concept of conversion of solids. This objective we will discuss today. Now first I'll make you understand that what do you mean by conversion of solids. Students, what is the meaning of conversion of solids? It means that conversion of one shape to another. For example, a cone is melted and recast to form a sphere. So students, what do you mean by conversion of solid? It means when one thing is melted and it is recast into another thing, means another solid. Now there are two concepts related to this, means related to the conversion of solids. Number one concept we will do today is number of things. When we have to find the number of things, formula will be bigger volume upon smaller volume. Second thing related to the concept of conversion of solids is when we have to find R and H. In this case, volume of one solid will be equals to volume of other solid. Now students, we will do sums related to these both concepts, means in one concept is related to find number of things and second concept is related to find R and H. So let's do the questions. Let's start with the first concept related to the conversion of solids. Statement is a solid sphere. A solid sphere of radius 15 cm. This is the radius of sphere. Is melted and recast into solid right circular cones. A solid sphere is melted and recast into right circular cones of radius 2.5 cm. This is the radius of cone and height 8 cm. This is the height of the cone. Find the number of cones recast. In this we have to find the number of cones, means we will use that formula which is bigger volume upon smaller volume. So let's start with the solution. Solution is, in a sphere radius is given to us, this is 15 cm. In a cone radius is given to us, that is 2.5 cm, and also height, this is the value of height is given to us, that is 8 cm. Now children, what's the formula of volume of sphere? It is 4 by 3 pi r cube, centimeter cube. And what's the formula of volume of cone? It is 1 by 3 pi r square h, centimeter cube. Now students, we have to find the number of cones. So what will be the formula? It will be volume of sphere upon volume of cone, because sphere is bigger one and we have formed small cones from melting and recast of sphere. Now put the values of volume, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube upon 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now do the cutting. 3 will cut with 3, pi will cut with pi. Now write down whatever is left. This thing will left. Now children, after doing this calculation, we will get 270 cones as the answer of number of cones that are recast by melting a sphere. So this is the concept number 1 related to the conversion of solids. Now students, we will do the second concept. Statement is a metallic sphere of radius 4.2 cm. this is the radius of the sphere, is melted and recast into a cylinder. Means by melting a sphere, we have formed a cylinder of radius 6 cm. This is the radius of the cylinder. We have to find the height of the cylinder. This is the second concept, in which I told you that if we have to find R or H, then what we will do? Both the volumes will be equal. We will equate both the volumes and we will get the value of R or H what is required. Here we are to find value of height. So now let's start with the solution. Solution is, in a sphere, radius is equals to 4.2 cm. This is the value of radius of sphere. And in a cylinder, radius is equals to 6 cm. And we have to find the height. So that's why I have written H equals to question mark. Now what's the formula of volume of sphere? It is 4 by 3 pi r cube centimeter cube. Why I have written r1? Because r1 is the radius of sphere. And why I have written r2? Because r2 is the radius of the cylinder. And what's the formula of volume of cylinder? It is pi r square h centimeter cube. Now children, we will equate both the volumes and we will put the values of r1, r2, pi and h. Pi will cut with pi, and now children, we have to find this value of h. So h will remain this side, rest we will do the shifting. After doing the cutting and multiplication, we will get h equals to 2.744 centimeter as the answer of the height of the cylinder. So this is the second concept related to the conversion of solids. So students, today we have done concept of conversion of solids, in which we have done two things. First one, how to find the number of things, and second thing, how to find value of R or H. Now I hope that this concept of conversion of solids is clear to you, and now you will be able to solve the worksheets that has been sent to you in SNAP homework. Thank you and have a nice